taking dinner to a friend who just had a baby, so we're gonna do layered enchiladas with homemade enchilada sauce. And I have some shredded chicken that I slow cooked overnight, so it's shredded and ready to assemble. And tortillas and cheese is the only other thing we need. So let's get to it. We're gonna start with a thin scoop of the sauce in the bottom. And I'm using a disposable tray, so I don't have to worry about getting my pan back, and my friend who just had her baby doesn't have to worry about all of that. I got another trick for you here I'll share in a second. So the next is going to be tortillas. I can usually do 5 or 6 depending on the size of the pan. This is a little bit smaller but deeper than a 9 by 13. So I'm just gonna do like a tear situation. Kind of like that, just so we get that nice and covered. Next layer is going to be the chicken. After we have the layer of chicken, then we'll do just a super thin dusting of cheese. This is just like a Monterey Jack blend. Then enchilada sauce. We're gonna go a little heavier with this round, and there should be a little bit left in the pot for the top of the tortillas, which will be that last layer. Okay, another round of tortillas. And by round, I mean layer. I'm saying round because these tortillas are round. All right, I'm gonna tear this last one for this edge over here. Okay, another layer of chicken. I'm not gonna need all the chicken that I prepared. Cheese. I'm gonna go a little heavier on the cheese, and then we're gonna do tortilla sauce and cheese on top. Okay, to finish this off, we're gonna do another layer of tortillas, and then the rest of the, maybe I'll just do like a hefty layer, just do 6 whole ones. And then we're gonna do sauce and cheese and then bake. Okay, I love my handy dandy flexi ladle because it can get into the edges of this pot. It's hard to see. It's gonna slide back over. I'll show you once I'm finished, but this ladle is flexible. You can see it bends, so I can get into the corner. You can barely see that right there at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this as a thin layer. And you can just use the bottom of your ladle to just spread it out. So this is one batch of the homemade enchilada sauce. That video is also here on the channel. I will link it here. I'll put it underneath and I'll link it on the video too, so you can save this homemade. So this homemade batch is perfect for this layered enchiladas. And then look at how well, let me show you the pot. Look at how well the pot, that silicone got that pot that clean. Crazy, right? We do have these silicone ladles in our shop. If you need one, go ahead and grab one. We have them, I think, in black and this kind of light white gray color. Final layer after the tortillas and sauce is gonna be more cheese. Okay, I just grabbed another bag. So it's probably about a total of 3 cups of cheese in the whole casserole. And I would say for the chicken, that was about 3 chicken breasts that were slow cooked and shredded for size. And then I think we used a total of 18 or so tortillas, 5 or 6 in each layer. And look at how full and delicious this looks. So everything in here is cooked. I'm gonna bake this for about 20 minutes and then cover it with foil and then transport it over to my friends for their dinner. Here's my other tip for you. Take disposable items with you. So I'm gonna make a bag that has plates, napkins, and silverware. In this case, I'm just gonna do forks. I might just toss in a few spoons just because I have them right here. It's just nice to not have to worry about the dishes, and I don't want them to have to send anything back to me. So we're just gonna go all in. So just a quick little tip, it's a neat blessing. We don't do a lot of paper and plastic unless we're doing a large entertaining event, or in this case, a meal for a family, either new baby, surgery, something like that. So that's really nice. Napkins, cutlery, and this. And then I'm also gonna add in here a little dessert, some brownies, and I have a salad kit as well. So they're gonna get the layered lasagna, salad kit, and a little dessert with all of the disposable options. So super easy, super affordable, simple dinner that you can bless another family with. I have all the recipes, links, everything down below the video, so be sure to check that out. Finally, I'm not gonna show my face today because I'm bright red faced straight from the gym doing this, getting this ready for them. So if you learned something new, you thought this hack was helpful, you're excited to use this recipe when gifting meals to friends who need them, please hit that like button. Also subscribe. We're releasing new videos all the time here on the channel. I'm just wanting to help you spend as little money as you can while still feeding your family well, and in this case, blessing another family. So there you have it, my friends. It's bye for now, and I'll see you in the next episode.